ladies and gentlemen.
Street R 28 by 11.5 17s. Went ahead and went buy his ply to try them out, and there was a pretty good sale on them, so we'll see how they do compared to the ET Street R drag radial. There you go, guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, as I stated before, my best is 12.13 at 111 miles per hour with a 60 foot of 1.8 and an 8th mile at 7.7 at 90 miles per hour. And this was like a normal night test and tune. First pass down the track, and we got a 11.9 at 113 with a 60 of 1.7 and an 8th of 7.6 at 90 miles per hour. I kind of took off at idle, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to brake boost a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna send it again, see what we can do. Hopefully I can get some footage of this next run. Hellcat, we got a 11.9. 11.9. Green belt, head maker.
Mopar versus Mopar. Number 24 in the left lane, number 16 in the right. That's the clear of our Friday night for drive.
Alright, so for this pass, I kind of figured, you know, I'd go ahead and do something different. So thanks to my buddy Sacho, I was able to get this run on GoPro, which shows you, you know, the point of view that everyone wants to see.
you know, pretty much what the driver sees in the rearview mirror. All in all, this run was a great run with this Hellcat. His reaction was just like 0.2, 0.3 seconds, a little bit faster. He definitely would have stayed with me. Probably would have passed me on the top end, but since his reaction was so slow, he just happened to get beat by an all-motor car.
Just gapped the Hellcat. We're gonna go ahead and see what time that was. That felt really great, guys. I felt like that was probably one of my best runs of the day, but we'll see. I was in track. We'll see how it goes. Everybody's like looking like, what the fuck, did that RT just do that to a Hellcat? All right guys, so as you saw, the Hellcat, his reaction was kind of late. I think he had like I think he said a 0.6 to my 0.4. I have the time step right here. 60 foot was a 1.68. 8th mile was 7.5, so I'm pretty excited about that, guys. And then I was at 92 miles per hour in the 8th, at 11.81 at 114 miles per hour. And that was in 2,000 plus DA, about, I think it was like 60-something% humidity and around 80-something degrees outside. So, I mean, I can't really complain about the results because of the weather, but all in all, I had a great time, and I got to basically finally get a baseline of where this car sits. And you know, there's improvements coming. Rather I sell and go for another car, or I just keep Betty, probably add a shot of nitrous. I've seen that these cars really like nitrous. I want to do a supercharger, but then again, I don't, because of the price. But it may be a while before I make another video. But guys, I just want to thank you guys for 500 plus subscribers. It really means a lot to me. I kind of started YouTube late, but I think I'm finally getting on track. But hey, until the next video, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, so you can catch all the videos first. Alright guys, take it easy.
If I was up today, running around, I'm feeling everybody know my name. Doing shows in different states, living no complaints. Know them